Open hearts see love everywhere. Everything is temporary, don't stress. Time won't make you forget, it will make you grow and understand things. Some talk to you in their free time, and some free their time to talk to you. Learn the difference. When someone helps you and they are struggling too, that's not help, that's love. Notice the people who make an effect to stay in your life. Life is very complicated. Don't try to find answers because when you find answers, life changes the questions. Learn to be alone. Not everyone will stay forever. Feelings are important in our life as they come from heart. If you respond it back, they grow. If you ignore, they die. Sometimes life doesn't give you what you want. Don't because you don't deserve it, but because you deserve so much more. Family is not about blood, it's about who is willing to hold your hand when you need it the most. If you liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.